Welcome in world of technology. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, is the dual camera worth the added price? Plus-sized phones often find themselves stuck in a plus-sized niche, but Samsung's Galaxy S9 Plus is different to most. This time around, it's ready to steal the spotlight from the regular S9. And that's because it has dual cameras at the rear, promising truly exceptional photographic capabilities, while the normal S9 continues to make do with one. It's not just about strength in numbers. The camera now has a variable aperture, which widens or narrows depending on the lighting conditions. And, as you'd expect, the S9 Plus has received a slight bump in processing power. These highlights aside, the S9 Plus doesn't bring much to the table that you haven't seen before. But it all adds up to one hell of a phone. And then there's the camera. Dual camera arrangements certainly aren't new, but this is the first time we've seen one on Samsung's flagship S range. As with the Note 8, one is a wide-angle 12-megapixel f/1.5 camera, while the other has an f/2.4 telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. The numbers might not sound all that exciting, but that f/1.5 aperture is the widest we've ever seen on a smartphone. It's seriously bright, letting in 28% more light than the S8's camera. And that's not all that's clever about it. Just like its regular-sized sibling, the S9 Plus features a two-position aperture that can switch between f/1.5 and f/2.4 depending on the lighting conditions. Samsung says it switches to the wider aperture at about 100 lux, which is roughly the brightness of a cold, gray morning in the capital. Essentially, this helps ensure shots in good light aren't hideously overexposed, while pictures taken in low light pick up as much detail as possible. You're not at the mercy of the automatic controls either. Simply switch over to the camera's Pro mode and you can switch between the different apertures at will. And this system works brilliantly. Shots taken in low light picked up plenty of detail, were generally well exposed and lacked visual noise. Side by side with the Pixel 2, the differences may only be marginal, but the S9 Plus just about nudges ahead. In good light, the phone's camera captured sharp details, shots were well exposed, and the HDR system did a good job at lighting up dark, shadowy areas. As you can see by my test shots below, the S9 Plus camera is truly exceptional. On top of that, there's also a 960 fps slow MO mode, just like with last year's Xperia XZ Premium. In this mode, the phone's capable of capturing 0.2 seconds of 720p footage and stretching it out into 6 seconds of video. After your shot is saved, you can set it as your lock screen, or send it out to your friends in GIFable format. Lastly, let's talk about Animoji, AR emoji. This is Samsung's stab at making animated emoji more personal, by allowing you to create your own unique avatar. Simply tap the camera app and take a picture of your face, it will then create a customizable likeness of you, which can capture and mirror your expressions, to be stored or sent to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time on the other R videos.